Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to find your Bitcoin address on Binance. All right, let's begin. First, log into your Binance account. You can do this on mobile or your computer. The steps are the same. Once logged in, switch to the simple mode if you're not already using it. You can do that by tapping on the Binance icon at top left corner and selecting Binance Lite from the bottom. This makes the process easier to follow. Next, tap on the Wallet tab, then select Add Funds and choose Deposit Crypto. Now search for Bitcoin and select it from the list. After selecting Bitcoin, you will see multiple network options. Choose the Bitcoin network to get your wallet address. Once selected, your Bitcoin wallet address will be displayed. You can copy this address by tapping on the copy icon next to it. This is the address you use to receive Bitcoin. You can share this address with anyone who wants to send Bitcoin to your Binance account. So that's basically how you can find your Bitcoin address on Binance. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.